Hello everyone and welcome to OlaJoe the Crocheting Sailor. I got this package. This is a box and some wonderful happy mail that I got from Furls, and I have to get into this box. Oh my goodness. It's always nice to get goodies from them. So I'm just gonna jump right on into it. Using my trusty, this is the Venture Leather Travel Roll. Oh, look at all of these nice accessories from Furls. So if you're in the market to buy anything, you can go ahead and check them out. Use my Furls affiliate link in the description box down below. Oh, let's start with the yarn. Oh, look. Big old package of yarn. My goodness. So excited. Now this yarn I purchased is Wonder Yarn. I believe they are sold out of all of the colors. Everything is out of stock. So I'm hoping that some of you were able to get an opportunity to get your hands on some Wonder acrylic yarn. It is nice and buttery soft. This is called Passage. Is a number 4. It's 100% acrylic. This is a worsted weight yarn. The recommended needle size is a 5mm and a 5mm for the crochet hook. It is 100 grams and it's 120 yards, 109 meters. Ooh. So I have 2 of these. I also have 2 of the cabin. And I thought this would be nice to pair the cabin and the passage together. And you can let me know in the comments, what do you think about this combination? Doesn't this scream fall? I definitely would like to make something with this. A garment, hat and scarf set, hat and cowl set. Oh, I guess I could do, I don't know. But I'm excited about that. Have this right here. So I'll go ahead and open that up really quickly. This long box right here says Tunisian crochet hook. Oh, I'm excited. Furls. Ooh. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see it. Now they do still have these available on their website. Oh my gosh, look at this. Y'all see that? Oh, look at this beauty. This is a 7mm. I'm so excited. Can't even contain myself, but look at the ombre effect on this. And it's so nice and shiny. Oh, it has a nice feel to it. Oh my goodness. This is sweet. Oh, look at that. I cannot wait to use some yarn with this Tunisian crochet hook. I am gonna go ahead and put my new Tunisian hook in this case that was designed and made by Furls. And I'll show you here my other ones. These are Furls. So it'll have a new home. I'm so excited. Just slide it right up in here. just like that. So y'all can see. This is where it will be. And as you can see, you can also put other Tunisian crochet hooks in here, not just the furls. So let's go ahead and open up these hooks that I got from Furls. As you can see, I have 4 of these. I cannot wait to see what I got. So this first one right here. Ooh, I always love the Furls packaging. Look at that. Very, very nice. Hashtag I love Furls. This is a limited edition. Oh, it's the grape. It's the grape hook. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, this is a J. This is a 6mm. Oh my goodness. Gotta pull it back a little bit. This is the J. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. The camera is not doing it justice. Can you all see that? That is so beautiful. Oh, this is nice. So this grape streamlined metal was $26. It is heavy now. And I will say, I believe that this is a little heavier than the Odyssey hook. So if you're into Furls Odyssey, this is heavier than the Odyssey in my humble opinion. But the feel of this is velvety soft. I would love to have a set of these hooks. You all go to the Furls page and just look at them. No one says you have to buy. You can go look. It won't hurt you. It won't hurt you to look. Next one right here is much lighter. Catch it. This is light. Not heavy like the Odyssey. All right. Streamline. Let me see what this is, because all of these are limited editions. So let me see what this one is. Oh, now this is super lightweight. Oh my God. Look at this. This is the M hook. Can y'all see that? Oh my goodness. Look, 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 look. I'm going to have to show this in a short. This is the 8mm. Furls labels it as an 8mm, the M hook. And this baby right here is the Sage Ombre hook. Look at that wood and how it transitions into the sage color. The feel of it is very nice. This reminds me of their alpha hooks. So if you've dabbled in the alphas or taken a look at the alpha hooks, oh my word. They're expensive, but they're beautiful. And this is what it reminds me of. I have some in my Furls collection, but this is super lightweight. I mean, floating light compared to this grape one. Okay, let's go on to our next one. Furls Streamline. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm so excited about this. Oh, look at this one. It's an eye hook. It's a 5.5 millimeter hook. This particular one is the Aurora Streamline. Look at this hook. Oh my goodness. Aurora Streamline. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Now, this particular one is polished. This is the polished one. And I believe you can get it in matte and polished. Now, this particular one is $28. This is nice. It's cold. I will let you know. It is really, really cold to the touch. But this right here, oh man, I just love looking at it. The transitions of color on this baby. Ooh, this is nice. Very, very nice. But it's heavy. So we're back to a weighted one. So on to the next one. Ooh. Just give me chills right now. Oh my goodness. Last but not least, drum roll please. Oh, look at that. Ooh, oh my goodness. Look at that. Ah. This is that N. It's a 9 millimeter. And oh, it is so very pretty. This is our latte one. Oh, I love the pour on the one that I received. No two are alike. So if you haven't collected furls before, just know that they will not look exactly the same. Wow. I love the feel of this though. This feels really, really nicely in my hand. I would love to do some nice stitch work with this hook. This is very, very pretty. If this is your first time watching, consider subscribing to my channel, turning the bell on, turn it to all. I greatly appreciate you. Help me to get to 100K. I look forward to seeing you all on the YT streets. There is the Tunisian hook. And here is my yarn. And I wonder what I'm going to make with it. Catch it. If you are going to be free on Friday, October 17th at 11 a.m., please go ahead and tune in to the Furls Live with Mrs. DeVeter. They're going to have some special guests, and they will also be celebrating their birthday. Today is the Navy's birthday. I look forward to seeing you all there. As soon as they set that live up, I will be sharing that live link with you. So it will be easy for some people to find. For those that don't usually go to the Furls Live, there is going to be some exciting reveals and some wonderful things you don't want to miss. So I will be on the live with Mrs. DeVeter on that day, and I am very excited and happy to appear. And I will also be appearing with Francis. If you are in the Furls Live and go regularly, you all know Francis. So I'm really, really excited to see Francis up there on panel with Mrs. DeVeter on that special day. You all have a wonderful day. And like I always say, Live each day as if it were a last. Thank you for tuning in.
Thank you for watching, yeah. Please click that thumbs up. Like the video. And if you haven't already, push the button that says subscribe. Subscribe to OlaJoe's channel, the Crochet Sailor channel. Don't forget to share the video. Subscribe to the channel.